Hey, I'm back. In this video, I'm going to show you a tip on how to improve your posture, okay? Now, you can see right here, my friend has bad posture. Now, here's the problem. For every inch your head is going forward, you're going to add 10 pounds of weight in the upper part of the back right through in here. So you have people that are slouched over right here, they're going to carry a tremendous amount of extra weight up here, muscular-wise, and create a lot of tightness, okay? So you want to be erect. So the first thing I'm going to have you do before the technique is stand against the wall right here, and I want you to naturally put your heels to the end of the wall and just kind of, I want you to stand next to the wall normally, how you normally would, without trying to stand up tall, okay? And I want you to have someone observe how many inches forward you are, okay? So we can get a visual. We want to know how forward the head is from the wall, okay? Are you perfectly straight, or are you slouched over right here? Okay, so once you measure that, now we're going to do the actual technique and then retest it, all right? Now, before I do that, okay, so I know that your parents were telling you, sit up straight, quit slouching, right? I'm going to tell you that is very bad advice to give a child, because when you sit up tall, what's going to happen, you're not going to last very long, because the true cause of some of this problem is on the front part, all the muscles on the front part of the chest and the neck that is pulling you forward. So when you try to sit up straight, it's just a few minutes where it's going to pull you back. Okay, so now I need to show you a technique of how to undo this. What you want to do is you want to use something that is based on a principle of opposites. If we want to loosen up the muscles on the front part of the body, we want to stretch the back part here, okay? So in other words, to fix bad posture, we have to put you into bad posture. So let me demonstrate. Okay, so the first thing you don't want to do is you don't want to stretch backwards. You want to stretch forward. You want to hunch your back. So just stay with me. You're going to do this on a chair. First thing you do is you're going to put your head down, flex all the way forward, and kind of round your shoulders and start slouching as much as you can. You want to exaggerate bad posture. So we're going to come down and stretch. Okay, all the way down. Come back up. Okay, you're going to stretch down. You could even pull your head down. You're rounding the back and you're stretching the back muscles, okay? What's happening is you're sending a signal to the opposite musculature in the front part of the body, and you're relaxing the muscles in the front as you're stretching the back. You'll see in a second. So we're going to do this about, I don't know, do it maybe 5 to 10 times. You're slouching, okay? Rounding the back, okay? So now let's go back to the wall and I'll show you something. So you go back and you try to stand up, and you're going to be completely vertical. It's going to be like very weird. Like, why am I standing so straight? It's very dramatic. So the way that you fix poor posture is you actually stretch into the bad posture, and that allows your body to come back up. Don't do the other way. Go ahead and try it and put comments down below. So if you're enjoying these videos, click share and spread the word.